Carb completely busted down. About to check the jet sizes, clean everything up. Hopefully she's minty. Ready to go. So looked over the jets and stuff. We got a 175 in there, which is close enough. It's supposed to be a 172 for the main jet, which is okay. And we have a 55 pilot jet, which is good for stock. It's what it needs to be. The needle, which is on the slide, on the bike still, needs to be at the stock position on the second clip. And we'll check that out when it's not raining and storming out. And then the air screw is a 1.5 turns out, which I got that all dialed in there. So she's minty, she's ready to go. Choke's all fixed. Should work as it should. And she's all cleaned out, inside and out. She's ready to go. We're gonna start stripping the head. Get the head studs out, all the power valve out, intake boot out, or off. We're getting new reeds, so we ain't really worried about them, but we'll get them out of there. Get this thing stripped. Let's do it. Guess we'll try a little heat, see what happens. Heat expands it, so you don't heat up the stud, you heat around it. At least that's what I've been told. Probably still gonna snap this fucking thing, but hey. Burn myself too now, right? Strip it either though. God damn it. I missed it, but I switched to a different one and got one head stud out, didn't break it. So now we're gonna try another. Bada bing. Sweet. show y'all the tech. What I've been doing here to get all these out. Obviously, tightening that thing down. A little bit of the WD-40s. And I've been boiling these sons of bitches. That's how you know it's good. Oh yeah, a little more. Really make it to where I melt my hand off, right? Excuse me. This was the one I started with too. Come right out. Awesome. That's what a little bit of heat can do for you. All the head studs out. I'll clean them up with a wire brush and stuff. Make them all nice and pretty when it comes time. So I'm taking apart the power valve. You remove the stopper up here, 12 mil, all the way out. Then there's a cotter pin that goes at the top of the stop here, which is inside of here now. And once you take the cotter pin out and loosen this Allen right here, then the power valve actuator slides out. Make sure the bushing comes out with it. That goes on top, and then all this comes out as one piece. There's the right side power valve. Put that back together so I don't lose anything. Then you'll pull out these two things they're holding in the flat valve. Pull out this one, I guess, on camera. Pins holding the flat valve. When you install this in the cylinder, you should make sure that indentation is facing up. So when it's in the cylinder, indentation up. Left side, take off cap, clip out, so you can magnute. That washer, indentation faces in. Come on, give it up. That's the left side. Bearing feels good. Sweet. So, this thing is completely stripped now. It's just a cylinder, other than the reeds that I can't get out because they've been RTV'd on there. Wish I could try to mess with it, but I don't need them. There she is, all stripped down. Here's all my parts. Awesome. All right, I got it out. I had to mess with it and see if I can get it out of there because I wanted to put it up to the light and see if I could see any daylight through it, which you can. hard for you guys to see, but you can catch a glimpse of it there. No good. So good thing we're getting new reeds. There she is. There she is. Now she's completely stripped. See, look at all that porting and stuff in there. I didn't know. I knew nothing about that. You know, how am I supposed to know? But anyways, that's cylinder stripped completely. Now we're just waiting on some parts. Some parts are starting to arrive. Got our new reeds over here. They're V-Force. They're not branded, but they are. Just got to modify some stuff to put them on there, but that'll be in the next video, along with all the other parts. And here's our piston and different things and rings and gaskets, but you'll have to wait till the next video for that also. So this was just, you know, a little video. Maybe it'll help you out. Taking apart your cylinder, stripping it down, getting head studs out, different things. And that's it for now. So thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and have a good night.
Look at this guy.